Guys, it's me, Chloe. Today I'm going to be doing a little science experiment. So you have to make sure, you have to kind of suck this in because it's a bit wide. You have to suck this in. Suck it in. It's not sucking in for me. Wait. No one can bend metal. No one could. No one can ever bend metal. No one can. It's a bit hard just to stick it down. So now, what I'm supposed to do is, okay. I think I've got this now. Wait, I'll put it down the other way because this way is not working for me. And I'm getting very upset. Because I'm supposed to do this really good. I think I did the other ones good. I'm not sure if I did this one good though. I need another paper clip. Listen, guys. I'm going to do it like this. It's a bit easier. So listen. I'm going to be putting this in so it doesn't get hurt. I'm going to be attaching it. Attaching. And now I'm going to get my magnet to attach with this paperclip liner. I'm not sure if this can detect it. Wait. Got it. So, listen, to be honest, I'm not very good at this experiment. So, I'm just going to try it. Got it! Now, you attach these stuff just like so. I think this is what you do. If I don't do it right, I shouldn't be doing it wrong. So now that I've did it, it's gonna be a bit hard. I know this is very complicated. Please. I'm actually gonna put this in here. Okay, because the coins have to know that they're getting detected with the magnet. Okay, they have to know that. Okay, so now all of them are getting detected. So I can't do as good as this person. I can, but it's not as good as expected. I'm sorry about that. This is so embarrassing. I know that my results for this little test isn't going to be good. Okay. So now, the main objective to it is to actually be able to lift it without holding nothing. But I gave it a go. I had lots of fun trying. So I really hope you enjoyed it, even though it wasn't as good as expected. But I still hope you liked it. So I know this isn't going to be good for my results, but bye. Thanks for watching.